I want to put that spotlight on the Nifty Small Cap Index largely because when you talk to the market participants loosely, they'll come and say, "Oh, markets look overbought, bought stocks chal gaya hai, we need to be careful." I thought I'll just put some data on the board and explain as to why there could be further potential upside in the broader market. So look at what the small cap index has done. This week the small cap index hit a new all-time high of almost 12,241, which is the previous high was 12,047, which we hit in January of 2022. Since then, look at the volatility as well. If you look at the Nifty Small Cap Index, in January they hit a high. Then in June itself, it hit a low of 7905. That was a sharp fall we saw. So in the broader markets, you will see those kind of dips as well. But from there, we've rallied almost 55%. And today, this week, in fact, we've hit a new high of 12,241. So clearly, so now if you look at the broader markets, yes, there is a bit of frenziness, there is a bit of excitement as well. A lot of stocks have rallied between 50 to 500% in the last 18 months. But do you think, the whole question is there a room for an upside? The answer to that could be yes, because there is under ownership yet, and the fact that technically a lot of experts believe that we can rally another 10 to 12% on the index. So let's look at the big movers in the last, like say, 18 months or so in the broader market, especially in the small cap index. The biggest gainer is Mazgaon Dock. That's up almost more than 5 times in the last 18 months. RVNL, Kalyan Jewelers, Fact, which has moved around between 200 to 300%, and others like Bharat Dynamics, Raymond's, Cochin Shipyard. There are a lot of other stocks as well. UCO Bank, a couple of bank stocks as well. KEI Industries, something like a Mangalore Refinery is up 110%. Suzlon is up 120% as well. So clearly there has been a lot of momentum in the small cap stocks, but there were some losers as well. Let's run through quickly. CDSL is down 30-odd%. Borosil Renewables down 30-odd%. Something like a Balaji Mines is down almost 36%. Questcorp is down 40%. And so is the case with Chambal Fertilizer, which is down 40-odd%. So there were some losers as well in the broader markets. Tanla is down 50-odd%. IEX down 50%. Something like a Brightcom, of course, for bad reasons, that stock has also fallen almost 84%. The big point is, yes, there is a bit of excessiveness, but I spoke to a couple of technical analysts. Let's look at Atul Suri's view first. He believes that there is still no excessiveness yet in the small cap index. In fact, the small cap index so far is beaten down from 2022 levels and only doing a catch up. So he believes that there is a potential another 15% upside technically in the small cap index from current levels. Even I spoke to Rahul Sharma of JM Financials. Even he's of the view that the last time the index rallied, it multiplied 4 times. Similar pattern has been suggesting now as well. The rally has begun from almost 8,600 levels in March and has gone up 40%. But still, he believes that there is a lot of momentum, and technically, even he is of the view that there could be a further upside. So in fact, he's given some technical levels as well for the broader market. So he's seeing a levels of almost 15,000 and 17,000 over the next 12 months. So that's the kind of potential rally we can see in the small cap indices from here on as well. So that's the clear technical view from the two technical experts. Even fundamentally, I was just looking at the valuations of the small cap index at these all-time highs. We are still not to the historical levels what we saw in the past. So even fundamentally, there is a room, and technically, experts believe that even 10 to 15% level or an upside from current levels is quite possible in the smaller indices. So yes, we need to be careful with the stocks that we choose, but from a momentum point of view, clearly there is a room for further upside in the broader markets.